In this video, I'm going to show you how you can scrape thousands of subreddits on each niche to find the most viral questions that people ask. These are some topics that people actually care about. Then our automated system will automatically filter those contents based on how much potential they have to go viral, and you can use those ideas, those topics to record a YouTube video, Instagram video, but our system will automatically check all the comments for each post. It will do a deep research about the topic, and it will come up with a full article about that question that someone already asked on Reddit and went viral. Then we're going to automatically publish it on Medium. To be honest, I'm not sure this is even possible or not, but we're going our best to make this process fully 100% automated. We're going to see how it works. And you may ask why we're going to publish it on Medium. The reason for that is Google actually loves some community based platforms like Reddit or Medium. That's why whenever you ask a question on Google, it will show you Reddit post or Medium articles about it at the top of the search bar. And that's why a lot of people, they don't share their strategy, but they are making thousands of dollars every month by publishing Medium articles. You can easily monetize on Medium. You can get sponsorships. You can sell digital products. If you want to know how basically monetize your Medium, you can actually subscribe Travis. He's making thousands of dollars every month from publishing Medium articles. But we're doing this fully automated. Basically, we find the topic automatically using the most viral topics on Reddit. We're going to filter them and we're going to automatically write an article. And even these articles have an image, which is crazy. And we can automatically publish it on Medium. Usually, you can post 2 articles per day on Medium. And after 5 to 6 months, by being consistent, you have a very good chance to basically monetize your Medium and make money out of it. I'm actually going to show you how this system works. So make sure to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and let's get into it. In the first step, just join my school community. You can find the link in the video description. In the classroom section, find Reddit to article engine and just download the file in here. I'm also going to show you how you can build these projects by yourself, so make sure to watch until the end. Now, we actually need an IDE to open the folder. You can use Visual Studio Code or Google Anti-Gravity. Both of them are the same. They are free to use. Personally, I'm using Visual Studio Code. Just download it, install it, and here's how it looks like. In here, click on Open Folder. We have to open our file. And now we have access to all the files and folders. Now, in the extension section, search for Claude Code if you want to use Claude. If you want to use Codex, search for Codex. And just install the extension. Here's the extension. I've already installed that. In the settings section, search for setting. And make sure you enable allow dangerously skip permissions. This is very important. Enable this. Now we're ready to go. All I have to do is to click on one of these files. For example, Cloud.md is related to Claude Code. Agents.md is related to Codex. You can run this file with both of them. I click on Claude icon, and now let's close this. Now we can do whatever we want using Claude. Make sure to change the permission to bypass permission. In this way, it wouldn't ask us for permission all the time. And now we have to run the skill. I've already built a skill called Reddit article. By selecting this, we can basically run the project. If you want to basically build the project by yourself, you have to first click on plan mode. You have to say what exactly you want to do, and it will make a plan for your project. And then you can click on bypass permission and it will automatically build the project for you. Super easy. But we already have all the files and folders. So let's, run the Reddit article skill. It will ask us some questions to know what kind of topic we're looking for, and then it will write the article for us. Okay, it actually asks me for my OpenAI API key. I'm using OpenAI for writing the articles and image generation. If you want to use Gemini or Claude, you have to paste Claude or Gemini API key. But since I'm using a OpenAI, let's actually find our API key on OpenAI.com website. Go to API platform. On the API keys section, just click on create new secret key and just name it something. For example, Reddit engine, anything you like. Click on create secret key and just copy this. Back to the code, select other and just paste the key in here. It will automatically add the API key to our env file. Now it asks me about the topic and the niche that I want to write about. If you have a specific topic or niche, you can write it in here, or you can use a preset niche. The preset niche in here is AI automation because my channel is all about AI automation. So I'm going with AI automation. Let's select this. As you can see, the AI automation niche has around 90 subreddits. How many of them you want to scrape? We can select all of them. We can start with 3. Let's go actually with 3. 3 should be enough for me. Now it scans me over 30 subreddits in that niche. It actually automatically opened Reddit for me on my Chrome browser. Let me back to the code. We were able to use a Reddit public endpoint or, use Apify to scrape. But personally, I realized using this strategy, using my Chrome, it could be faster and the results are usually better and more up to date. So I think this is a better approach rather than using Apify. You can see it is scraped over 500 posts across 30 subreddits. We were able to even scrape much more than that. Now, in here we have 20 topics which you can, choose from. Why release when there are some technical questions? Imagine a world run by AI agents. What does it look like? Is NVIDIA still the default best choice for local LLMs in 2026? I think this is a very interesting question. You can see the date that it posted. It's very recent. It also gives a score to each one of these topics in terms of how much potential they could have to write an article. This one has the highest. I don't know even what is this model, but let's select this. I'm really interested and it seems very high score. So let's select this, click on submit answer. And as you can see, it even fetched the real comments from each post to include in our article if necessary. And it will do a deep research about the topic on the internet automatically. Now it will ask me some questions related to the tone, length, and image style of the article. What tone should the article use? I prefer conversational. I don't want very formal or storytelling, but you can specify other. Let's click on this. Um, how long it should be? I think 5 to 70, 100 for medium should be enough. And what hero image style do you want? We can select auto peak, which basically it will decide based on the image, or you can choose any other model or style that you like. Let's click on auto peak, click on submit answer. And now in here, you can see a review of all the settings that you added. Yes, write it and click on submit answer. You can see it automatically opened the article for me. We have an image, the article, and it follows the same format that I've mentioned. This is quite interesting. But here's a problem right now. This is not fully automated because we have to open Medium website and basically paste this image, use these titles, and paste all of these. Why we were not able to make this fully automated? The reason for that is when it comes to Claude, It actually uses Chrome Dev MCP. And if you want to open a Medium website using Chrome Dev MCP, it will ask for CAPTCHA, and you never can pass that CAPTCHA if you're using that MCP. However, there is a solution for this, and the solution is actually using Codex. Personally, I wouldn't mind to paste the whole article by myself to Medium. In this way, I can check it by myself as well. However, if you want to make this process 100% automated, you have to use Codex. Let me show you how you can actually do this. From OpenAI website, just download Codex app. Uh, you can actually use this on both Mac and Windows. After installing this, in the project section, using an existing folder, just upload your project in here. Now we have the project in here. In the plugins section, for computer use, make sure to enable this plugin. And basically, using this, Codex has full access to your computer. It can open browser, it can open any file, basically anything you like. You just have to, tell, and it will do it for you. After installing this, go to the automation section. Let's say create via chat. Make sure you're in the folder ready to article engine, and just say what you're looking for. For example, you can say every day at 9 a.m. Write an article for me related to this topic and automatically post it on Medium. Basically, anything you like, you can automate it using Codex. But for now, let's say um, just run the project for me, run the skill, write an article related to AI automation. You can pick any random topic that you like from the latest Reddit post. Write the full article for me with images, and then go to Medium website on my Safari, and basically create the post, create the article for me, and publish it automatically. Let's see if it can does it. This is my first time that I'm doing this. Let's see how powerful this tool is. We're going to find out. You can see it has started scraping again to find the topics, but this time we mentioned to automatically choose a topic so it wouldn't ask us different questions. You can see in here it's automatically got this. Everybody seems to talk about coding AI agents, but what are some other genius AI agents you have came across? And it's actually reading all the comments, and it will write an article based on those comments and even this topic. As you can see, it automatically opened the Medium website for me. It should add the title, body, and the images. Codex has its own mouse. We're going to see that. I'm not using anything. You can see it pasted the title. It has a mouse, but I think there is an issue in here. Medium has a very, very strict when it comes to using AI or those kind of things. And it seems even Codex can't make this automated. I don't think for any other websites you have issue. I've tried Amazon, so many other websites. Codex or Claude work for both of them. You can easily open them. But when it comes to Medium, unfortunately for now, it seems we can't fully automate it. But the safest way is basically, copy and paste the article by ourselves, which takes maybe 20 to 30 seconds. If you found this video helpful, just hit that subscribe button and like this video. Cheers.